So guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to sew very simple blouse. I have 2 ears, 28 inches. I fold into 2. I'm going to cut the front. Half length is 16 inches plus ½ inch to sew here and plus ½ inch to sew here. Half length is 16 inches, then I measure 17 inches after removing 6 inches from here. ½ inch to sew here, ½ inch to sew here. 13 inches. Bust is 40 inches. Divide by 4 will give me 10 inches plus sewing allowance. Under bust, which is here, is 36 inches. 36 divided by 4 will give me 9 inches. I will add some inches to sew that and on the side. This 9 inches, I will add 3 inches. I will cut here. I measure center here to here is 4½ inches. I'll cut the back. This is the front, which I just cut now. I will place on top the back. I have 1 inch on the back. After placing on top, I mark the back. This line is 1 inch. This place is 1 inch. I will notch back. I will add leg on the waist. I fold into 2 and I will fold again. This is into 4. Place my tape here. I measure 5½ inches. 5½ inches. 5½ inches. 9½ inches. 9½ inches. Then I will remove 1 inch for zip allowance. I will use the remaining one for sleeve. I have 6 inches. 6 inches. I'll cut the lining. I fold into 2. And I place on top. I cut lining for the 2 sleeve. The measurement I have 6 inches by 27.5 inches. I have 2 pieces, and I have lining the same measurements and 2 pieces. I'll place on top. I will sew here and here. I will do the same here. The top, this is the back. For the front, I will sew princess dots 4.5 inches. This is where I notch from here to here. Where I'm going to sew that on is 4.5 inches. From here to here is 4.5 inches. It's like this. This place is 13 inches. From here to here is 6.5 inches. From here to here is 6.5 inches. So I'll measure like this. From here to here, 4.5 inches. From here to here, 4.5 inches. That means I'm going to sew from here 2 inches, 2 inches. Then this place is 4.5 inches, 4.5 inches. So I will sew this way. I will sew from here and from here. The front lining, I will bring it this way. This is 13 inches. I will measure 2 inches here. I'll measure 1.5 inch here. So I will sew here and here, just like the main material. I will add that on the back. I will measure from here up 7 inches. I will do the same on the lining. I'm done sewing this one, and I will place on top. I will sew here. I'm done sewing these ones. After finish sewing and iron with the 2 sleeve, this is the flared. I sew and I leave 4.5 inches here open. Then I sew here, I hem the bottom. I measure 7.5 inches on the chest here, then I mark, then I'll cut here like that. Also with the back. This is the hem. Then I will sew the sleeve. I will make pleats here like this, 2 inches. Then I will sew on top, from the top here to this place. I will do the same on the rest, and also with this side. Make pleats and have about 2 or 2.5 inches remaining. I will sew on the other side. After finish joining the sleeve, I hem this place, then I sew the two sides, and this side, then this is where I notch, where I'm going to sew zip on. Then the center, which is here, then I will sew all the way to this side where I'm going to sew zip on. After sewing on the waist, then I will sew zip on the back. I finished joining the waist. I'm going to iron the back now to sew zip. This is the skirt. I will leave the link of the skirt in the description box. The net and the top, I used 2 ears. This is the final look, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. If you have any question concerning this video, please let me know. Share this video to everyone. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.